Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear lecturer in the Business Communication course, Miss Du Indah Lestari SE MCom AKCA. Hi everyone, we are from Group 3, which consists of me, Fayhara Dovit Ratunisa, student identification number 5211221106. In this video, we will explain tips how to make a good presentation. Please read carefully in this video.
1. Introduction. Not only do you introduce yourself, but at this point, you also have to introduce an outline of the material that will be presented. Make this opening part as interesting as possible to attract the attention of the audience. There are sections of the introduction that you need to keep in mind as follows. Welcoming your audience. Greet all the audience who are present to listen to your presentation. Can greet in a formal form or in an informal form that is adapted to the context of the presentation. Introducing your subject before getting into the main part of the presentation. The next thing to do is explain when the audience can ask questions. This is to avoid cutting off the presentation material because the audience suddenly interrupt with all their questions in the middle of playing the presentation. Outlining the structure. Convey the sequence or part of the context of the presentation that will be presented. If in a book, this section is a table of context which aim to convey part of the entire book. Giving instructor about question. Introduce the material to be delivered or presented. The way to introduce it is to provide a brief explain according to the title of your presentation.
After carrying out the opening stage correctly, the next point that must be done is the deliver to material body presentation, according to the outlining structure that you have previously conveyed. In the body, I want to tell you how to make a good presentation when you deliver to material. Okay, number 1, must convey presentation material very clearly and in detail. Number 2, remember friends, if you have a good self-confidence, it's very easy for you. But if you are not confident, how do you explain to them? Yep, be confident. Don't forget to be confident. When delivering material, you also have to be confident and focus on the entire audience when delivering presentation material, because this will affect your appearance and also influence the interest of the audience. Number 3, don't just focus on one side of the audience. You have to be able to make eye contact with the entire audience present. For example, your audience is to the right and left and in front of you. So, you have to pay attention to eye contact, to pay attention to your audience, right, front, and left, all sides. Number 4, you must pay attention to the speed in delivering the material. You must not be too fast or slow when delivering the material, so that the audience can understand and not get bored with your appearance. Number 5, so that the presentation is not boring and the audience is still paying attention. You must occasionally greet the audience in the middle of the presentation, or you can also occasionally move closer to the audience so that the atmosphere is more lively.
Here I will discuss the constellation, which is divided into 4 aspects. Number 1, summing up. Number 2, giving recommendation. Number 3, taking your audience. Number 4, inviting questions. Number 1, summing up. The phrase closing part must convey the points or constellation of the presentation material. Number 2, giving recommendation. The suggestion is only if you have a recommendation and it's not a master session. Number 3, taking your audience, taking the audience standing the presentation is a very important part as a form of a presentation and return to all of them. Number 4, inviting question. If you have finished delivering all the parts of the presentation above, it is time for you to invite the audience to ask questions about representation material. That is all, and thank you.
So everyone, the material we present in this video has 3 parts. The first is the introduction, the second is the body, and the third is the conclusion. And don't forget that to be a good speaker, you have to be confident, prepare before you become a good speaker. Those are the tips how to make a good presentation. Thank you for watching our video. Hopefully it's useful for all of us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.